Hi Fixer family, it's Charmin, and it's that time, the big reveal of the room of the month. Welcome to Fixin 2. I know that several of you have been waiting for this, and I have been on pins and needles wanting to share this with you. But before I do, I want to remind you that this is part of the Room of the Month challenge that I am doing with my friend Heidi from Heidi's Sonboul Home and some other awesome ladies. And we're doing this as a hop. So down in the description box below, there will be a link. So after you finish this video, head on down to the description box and look for the link marked Room of the Month Hop. Click that link and it will take you to the next lady's room reveal, and then so on and so forth. This has been so much fun to do. Now, I have a question for you. Let me know down in the comment section below if this is something that you enjoy, if you enjoy these hops. I've had a great time doing them, and I know that it kind of brings those big lists kind of down smaller just a little bit. Now, I still love to do playlists, collaborations, and different things like that, but this is just a little bit different spin, and it also makes it fun that you know that all you have to do is click down in the description and not have to go back to the list and so on and so forth. So let me know down in the comment section below. Before I share the big reveal, let me remind you of the inspiration that I had for this kitchen. And guys, I think that my kitchen, once you see it, you will see that it has come together beautifully in what I have on this inspiration board that I did. And the one thing that you will not see in my kitchen is, of course, the kitchen island. Now, I'm having a friend of mine custom build this island for me, and he is a firefighter and first responder, so he's been just a little bit busy kind of in what's going on in our country. And when he has been off, he's been with his children because, of course, they are out of school. So once I do have that done and he has gotten that delivered to me and I have it set up, I will be sharing that over on my Instagram. So make sure that you're following me over on Instagram so that you will be able to see the reveal of my kitchen with my island. Now, of course, I'm going to share the kitchen today, but you'll be able to see this beautiful custom piece that he does for me. So make sure that you're following me. I'm at Fixin2AL. Of course, the AL stands for Alabama. So make sure you're following me over there. Okay. One final reminder of what my kitchen looked like. This 1990s hunter green, honey oak drenched, white appliances. Yes, all of the above. And again, like I said before, the 1990s called and they wanted their kitchen back, so I gladly gave it to them. This kitchen, yeah, it needed to go, and it did. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready to see it? I'm ready to share it with you. Guys, look at my beautiful kitchen. I am so in love with the way that this turned out. It turned out amazing. A lot of work went into this kitchen. A lot of late nights, back pains, you name it. It has really been a true labor of love. Now, the last two biggest things that we needed to do, and it was finishing up my kitchen cabinets and the boxes, and also doing the backsplash. And guys, let me tell you, kitchen cabinets, backsplashes, both of them, no joke. They definitely take patience, lots of time and patience. But these kitchen cabinets, they came together, they look beautiful with the new hardware, and I love the color. And originally I wanted to do an antiquing on these as well, kind of using a glaze. But guys, to me, when I started doing it, it looked dirty. And I didn't want my count, and I know that's kind of the look, but I just wasn't wanting the dirty look. My husband didn't really like it. My daughter chimed in, said she didn't really like it. And I was so thankful that she was here because I wasn't really feeling it either. So we basically backed up, cleaned those, the few that I had done up, and repainted them. And they look super crisp. And the color that I used is called Linen White. And I got it at Home Depot. Again, big shout out to Home Depot. I'm not sponsored, but man, they really came through with all the supplies, the countertop, custom countertops, and the appliances. I mean, they were number one. I really do love Home Depot, and I love the customer service that they have, and so hey, huge shout out to them. We definitely had to finish up the bottom cabinets. We got those done, and let me tell you, I became a contortionist with this. Sitting on the floor, lying on the floor, I should say laying on the floor, to be able to get that kickboard underneath the cabinets, all of that. And yeah, that's why I say back pain. It was not fun, but it was well worth it. They turned out so good. And then of course the backsplash. Again, I have another shout out, and this shout out goes to our dear friend Chris. He has been so amazing throughout this whole reno. He helped with demo, and he helped my sweet husband do this backsplash. They installed it, and then I went in and grouted it. And it was so that they did it on a weekend, and that Saturday we got to the point of this window right here. The window over my sink, the only window in my kitchen area. And I think that gave my husband, he was so stressed out, and I hardly ever see my husband stressed out. And he was so stressed out because he was so worried that I was not going to like the outcome. And I love it. It turned out great. They knocked it out of the park. They came back on Sunday, or should I say Chris came back on Sunday. They finished it up, and oh my goodness, it was awesome. And then that next weekend on Saturday, I spent the whole day grouting this, and we learned so much doing this reno. And my husband said, never again. Never again. I said, okay, that's fine. Just a year or so, we'll do something else. And he's like, no, never again. But it's fine, and we love it. It turned out so well. And I do have coming up a video tutorial for you on how we did the board and batten in the eat-in kitchen area. And it was really simple. Yes, a lot of measuring and making sure that we had the right measurements and the spacing and all of that. But it really was a simple process, and I want to share that with you. Several of you have asked me to do so, and I will have a video upcoming. So make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel, and you've hit the notification bell right next to it so that you don't miss that video and any other video I have coming out. And I upload videos every Friday, and I do bonus videos from time to time like this one and others, and I don't want you to miss out on any of those. Guys, this has been so fun, and I know I've said it, and I'm super in love with my kitchen, and it has been so fun collabing with these wonderful ladies. And don't forget to head down to the description box and click on that link for the Room of the Month hop. See the next lady's room reveal, and then you'll hop on over to the others as you go. I know that these rooms are going to be amazing, and I can't wait to see theirs as well. So, because I'm seeing them for the first time, just like you are. So guys, also I will have down in the description box Heidi's, a link to her channel, Heidi Sonboul Home. So check her channel out. I know that you're going to love her just like I do. So I love you guys so much. Keep a positive attitude. Remember that tomorrow is a new day with new opportunities. I love you guys so much. I'm continuing to pray for each and every one of you. And so until next time, Keep looking up because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.